In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a tie rod assembly on your Ram 2500. This is going to be located in the front of the vehicle. Let's get started. Using a flat blade screwdriver, I'm going to use a plastic trim tool to not mar up the wheel. We're going to pop off our hubcap. Using a 22mm socket, remove the 8 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 21mm socket, remove the drag link nut from the pitman arm. Using a hammer, we're going to break the tension in between the drag link and the pitman arm. Remove the drag link from the pitman arm. Using a 21mm socket, remove the nut for the drag link. Using a hammer, we're going to break the tension between the drag link and the knuckle. Remove the drag link. Install the drag link into the knuckle. Get the nut started. Using a 21mm wrench, we're going to get over our nut. We're going to use a 10mm socket to hold our stud. Get it nice and tight. Torque the nut to 44 foot-pounds, and then an additional 105 degrees. Install the drag link into the pitman arm. Get the nut started. Snug it down so it's tight. Torque the drag link nut to 27 foot-pounds. Then we're going to go an additional 180 degrees. Install the wheel. Get all the lug nuts started. Snug the lug nuts down. Torque the lug nuts to 130 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Install the hubcap, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.